Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Facts with Usama. A group documents a sighting of the mythical Siren Head in a remote area, following it with a drone as cars are mysteriously overturned and chaos unfolds. They witness Siren Head moving quickly, lurking behind trees and buildings, and they try to lure it out using a Tesla in remote driver's mode while monitoring audio feeds from the drone. The creature appears to target cars and later uses the vehicles, gasoline and electronic devices, taking phones from inside cars to fuel an alleged stun signal and to recruit a human army. As the team tracks Siren Head into a mall, people start answering phones and gradually fall under its control, forming a growing army. They realize the plan is to expand the threat citywide, but devise a counterattack using a metal object to spark and destroy Siren Head, ultimately freeing the stunned people. In the end, the group celebrates the apparent defeat and encourages viewers to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.